Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. And I got this subject today, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Well, this time it's Find Edges, but I made a little bit density, a little bit dark image. Now, I have two images to make something interesting or exciting image I tried on this time, and well, let's get started. I'm gonna duplicate this base image and turn this one, base one, turn it off to keep it. Then I'm gonna work on this first. Well, using smudge tool, evolve as always, and let's get from these arms or so, smudge all the way to look like some kind of painting type. Alright, almost done for smudging for model, and now background goes bigger. Take all the grains out, just texture of the brush. Okay, now what am I gonna do now? Well, let's see. This pencil drawing type image, I'm gonna change some different layer mode to look at it. Nice highlight area, highlight effect, like a morning sun. Maybe this overlay, that looks good. The right shows some interesting, nice colors. I want to keep overlay, so I'm gonna keep overlay 50%. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate this layer and rename. This is overlay 50, and I'm gonna change this. Divide 50. Okay, interesting. I kind of like both show up together. Okay, I like this. Well, okay, now I'm gonna make mask. I kind of like this feeling. Turn on both layer mode together. Only divide shows this grains image too strong, but this overlay is gonna take it out. These two's on and just make, I kind of like this 3. This is divide. Okay, I'm gonna divide 40. Rename first. Okay, divide 40. Just keep this image like this. Okay, this is one of the group. This is a one image. Then I'm going to duplicate this layer. Alright, this is rename. This group is overlay 50, then divide 40 on this smudged image. Okay, now this is smudged image. I'm going to turn this group off. Now we have this smudged image, which I made from this base image. Okay, now I just want to see different. Well, I'm going to duplicate this layer, then bring this one all the way top, then group, just turn it off. Now I want to check here again. I kind of like this luminosity too. Okay, this is the second group. luminosity 50. Yeah. So I'm gonna rename. This is luminosity 50. Okay, now, well, group 2. Okay, just leave it group 2. This one I see luminosity 50. Okay, now I'm gonna work on this group first. Okay, turn this luminosity group just off, then make mask on this overlay and this group. Make mask, then invert mask. Now I'm going to reveal this with hearts. Okay. Okay, I'm working on this group, right? Okay, this is base image. Okay, let me clean up. I'm gonna, well, let's see. I'm gonna turn this off. Now this is just regular. The base image, smudged image. This is one. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate this smudged image. Then I'm gonna move this smudged image. Okay, this is group, right? Now I just duplicate this smudged image. I'm gonna take this, delete this mask. Now this is a base smudged image. Now we have effect from this overlay and divide layer mode go down. So I have to have a mask. Well, but I cannot copy this mask. What am I gonna do in this case? Turn this one off now. Okay, I'm gonna rename everything. Now layer 1, this is base image. This is smudged image. Okay, rename, well, smudge base. Okay, copy. This is same. Paste, smudge image. Okay, smudge base. Layer 1, this is base image. Okay, now I want this group, this effective. Okay, let's see. Divide 40. I'm gonna make mask. Invert mask. Same thing. Overlay. Make mask. Invert mask. Now this group. Okay, I'm gonna reveal with a brushing, soft brush, with these two masks. Now first divide 40. Just watch it and simply some here. So I just want to get this group effect on smudged base. Lighten up. Let's see, turn this one off. This is pretty complicated, huh? Okay, I'm gonna review this mask. Same mask on this too. Gosh, I want some copy the mask. So much easier. Okay, this one is now. This group is just all over the image. Now, inside the mask, Now, this is the one group of the light image. Okay, now this group, another group. This is this kind of effect, right? Now I'm gonna make mask, then invert mask. Now I'm gonna reveal around here. Soft brush, same brush. This grainy look. I only want to see this image on this smudged base image. I'm gonna make mask, then invert mask. Now I'm gonna reveal this effect goes to only here. So which is this, then this one is outside, but this one vector here too, so I'm gonna now mask black to hide from this first group effect on this layer. Well, in this case, this layer, I think this is a basic. Wait a minute, this is smudged base. Again, this is smudged base also, so I'm gonna change names. Smudged base. Okay, so I'm gonna mask this spot inside. Okay, we have two groups. One is luminosity 50, then this one is overlay and divide 40, overlay 50. Okay, two groups. This is for this group. This one is overall outside effect. Okay, now what I want to do is, okay, add layer, then I'm gonna add some healthy, nice warm. Well, change the blend mode to color. Now a little bit warm tone. Okay, go for now wine. A little bit goldish. Just emphasize some colors. Okay, then blue. Touch blue cast I see here. That's all right now for, I think, the overall color wise. Well, just a touch yellowish. Yeah, let me see, overall bluer. Okay, now I'm going to turn this one off, this smudge base, since we have this smudge base, two of them. This is the overall base. Now this is a mask. Oh, there is smudge here, no wonder. Okay, let me touch up some color layer. We have here healthy light skin tone. We have a little bit bluer green cyan cast here and bluer color here too. Well, just add more on this mask. Reveal more to lighten up. Okay, divide. This one goes to lighten up overall, so I'm gonna go up 42, about 50. Yeah, now change, rename 50, divide 50. Then okay, now I'm gonna just touch this mask maybe, and I'm gonna fix this. How about this? Well, what do you think about this image? Luminosity 50. Do I like this block dots? Maybe I don't need on her face, so I'm gonna mask. Maybe just the edge of the light, I mean the edge of lines. I don't need this, I don't think. Let me see different effect if I can find. Pin light. I don't think I need this. Okay, turn it off now. This is a new group, huh? I added last. Okay, I'm gonna, let's see about. Okay, where's this mask come from? Oh, there we go. This is the one. Yeah, so I think I'm hide here. Okay, now change this line. Just a little bit hide. Alright, now I'm gonna add some lips too on this layer. I touch up some, and I don't need this. I said this one. That's strange. Doesn't affect much now. Oh, I changed the blend. Soft light 50. I don't think I need this block dot. So I'm gonna delete this. Delete. So this is not group or anything. Just go up. Okay. Now this is a group for outside, and this one is, well, I don't need this smudge base. We have smudge base here. Okay, then I'm gonna delete this. So we do have this group, overlay 50 and divide 40 on base image to get this inside. Oh no, this is outside of her. Then we have color layer. I just emphasize more healthy skin tones, and background saddle colors, wine color, little green cast on the book. Okay, then we have this inside model image from this smudge base, because if I take this out, yeah, this is a little bit darkened base, regular image density, regular density on this. So I'm using this. Okay, and this is smudge base for outside with this mask. Well, I guess so many masks and the group, a little bit complicated, but I guess this is it for this image now. Yeah, sort of settle general image. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And well, you guys have a nice day. Enjoy your creative work, and I really appreciate for you guys' support. See you next time, and bye now. Ciao.